Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we'll see task 4, create an application load balancer. So we can navigate to the EC2 dashboard, and from here you can go to the target groups. So under load balancing, you can see target groups, and here we can create target group, and here you can leave it with the instances. And next target group name, you can put something like that. So I'm just put this my WP target group. Okay, and can select the lab VPC. So under the health check, so we can enter this path. Okay, and expand the advanced health check settings, and health threshold we can make it to minimum 2, and unhealthy we can put it 10, and timeout mentioning 50 seconds, interval similar to 50 seconds. Okay, and click on next. Okay, so let's make this 60. Okay, here register target. Okay, you can click on create target group. So there are no registered target currently. So successfully created target group. Okay, next we'll create application load balancer. Okay, so here you can click on load balancers. Create load balancer. So this is application load balancer. Enter the load balancer name. Okay, and network mapping you can choose lab VPC. Okay, you can choose the public subnet 1. And public subnet 2. Okay, next security group. You can choose. App instance security group. And listeners and routing for HTTP port 80, and default action my W target group, and then you can create load balancer. Okay, so we have successfully created. You can click on view load balancer. Okay, So here you can make a note of this DNS name. So we have created the target group and application load balancer. Next we'll create a launch template using CloudFormation. Select CloudFormation. Okay, so here we'll be using the YAML link. Okay, so to create, you can click on create stack with the new resource standard. Okay, keep this template is ready, and Amazon S3 URL. So I'll be using the link. Okay, and click on next. Specify stack detail. So stack name, we'll put config stack, and the parameters. Here we need to put the DB name. Okay, and database endpoint. This is the writer endpoint that we copied in task 2. In database username. Okay, and admin, and here it will be admin 123, and WordPress parameter, it defaults to WPA admin and WPA admin 123. And you can put some valid email address. Okay, and leave it this d3.medium, and here ALB DNS name. Okay, so we can paste the DNS name that we copied. Okay, and the file system ID. Okay, and click on next. Okay, here you can leave it with the default option and go to next, and you can review the information and click on submit. Okay, so that a stack will now enter into the create in progress status. Okay, so we can see the create complete status, and you can choose the resources tab. The list shows the resources that are created. Okay, so next in task 6, let's create a application service by configuring an auto scaling group and scaling policy. So let's go to the EC2 page. Okay, so under auto scaling, you can click on auto scaling groups. Click on create auto scaling group. So auto scaling group name. Okay, and choose the launch template. Click on next. Okay, so in the network here you can choose the lab VPC. Into availability here we'll choose app subnet 1, app subnet 2. Okay, and click on next. Okay, configure advanced options. Here attach to an existing load balancer. Choose from your load balancer target group. Okay, and here you can choose my WP target group HTTP, and health check you can check the ALB and leave the default 300 seconds and enable group metrics and click on next. Okay, configure group size and scaling policy. So desired capacity, let's make it 2, and maximum, let's make it 4. Scaling policies, target tracking scaling policy. Okay, and click on next. Okay, we can add some tag here. Okay, and you can review and create auto scaling group. Okay, you can click on this WPST and under activity you can see this information, and similarly for auto scaling. Okay, let's go to the load balancers. Okay, so I have created new auto scaling group with the WP ASG1, and I just initiated deleting because we were getting some failure error. Just following the same steps. Okay, now we can see that created successfully. Okay, so next we'll log into the WordPress web application. So we can go to the load balancers and select this WP app ALB, and you can copy the DNS name, and then you can paste it here and type WP login.php. Okay, and now you can see that we are getting the WordPress login page. Okay, we can enter WP admin 1 2 3. Okay, so we have created Amazon auto scaling group, and successfully launched the WordPress application. Okay, so that's it in this video, and I'll see you in the next. Thank you.